Imagine this, a whole fleet of futuristic helicopters descending onto the rusty plains of Mars, no landing pads, no astronauts, just pure robotic exploration. Sounds like the start of a high-octane video game mission, right? But this isn't sci-fi. This is the Skyfall mission concept, and it could be the key to unlocking Mars for human explorers. So what's Skyfall? Picture 6 cutting-edge research drones designed by AeroVironment in partnership with NASA's legendary Jet Propulsion lab. Their mission? To scout and map the red planet like never before. But here's the twist. These drones don't land the old-fashioned way. Instead, as their capsule plunges through Mars's thin atmosphere, the helicopters burst out, flying to safety and skipping the whole risky, expensive landing platform bit. Seriously, it's like something straight out of a next-gen space adventure. Now, you might remember the Mars helicopter, Ingenuity. Back in 2021, it was only supposed to last 5 flights. But it became a legend. 72 flights, almost 3 years of exploring, and over 17 kilometers traveled. That tiny chopper proved that flying on Mars isn't just possible, it's a total game changer. Skyfall takes that idea and cranks it up to 11. Each of these 6 helicopters can fly solo, scoping out different parts of Mars, snapping high-resolution images, and using radar to peek beneath the surface. Why does that matter? Well, before we send humans to Mars, we need to pick landing spots that are safe, packed with resources like water ice, and perfect for building a future outpost. The Skyfall fleet will scout out all the top candidate sites picked by NASA and private space companies. More drones in the air means more ground covered and way more data. Every bit of info they beam back to Earth could mean the difference between a risky touchdown and a safe, pinpoint landing for the first Mars astronauts. But wait, there's more. These brave robotic explorers aren't just paving the way for humans. The data they collect could answer one of the biggest questions in science. Was Mars ever habitable? Finding signs of ancient water, ice, or even the building blocks of life could rewrite everything we know about our red neighbor. If all goes well, and the mission gets the green light, Skyfall could launch as soon as 2028. That's not just a date in the far-off future, that's right around the corner. The countdown to Mars is on, and Skyfall might just be the first step to putting boots on the Martian ground. If you're as hyped as I am about the next giant leap for humanity, hit like, share this video with your fellow space geeks, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic journeys to the stars. Thanks for watching and keep looking up.